PigglesDiGaijin, Jamaican YouTuber. Talking about the time the girl judo me in my class. PigglesDiGaijin, Jamaican YouTuber. Ikibasho! No, I'm calm right now. If you guys saw my Snapchat story, you all will be like, Andre, you overreacted. But guess what? I didn't overreact. And no one can tell me they know how I feel until they have been punched and kicked by a girl almost the same size as themselves. Okay? So you just stop it right now. Okay, so here's the story. So me and the student have kind of a history. She does not listen to me. She's a junior high school student. And, you know, it's one of my, let's say, not one of my best classes. No, this is like the last class for the year for me with her. So, you know, I'm trying to be nice, you know, sort things out. Anything I say to her, she says no. Anything I say to her, she says no. If I said, hey, is your name XYZ? Her name is XYZ, she says no. That's how bad she is to me. Although she does give me chocolate on Valentine's Day. But that's not the point. The point is, when it's time for class, it's time for class. I don't care if you're having a bad or a good day. We go through it all too, girl. I was a teenager once. Not a female teenager, because then you know the feminists are going to get upset. But I was a teenager once, and I know that you just don't touch your teacher. Okay? The class is finished. Basically, I'm saying like, girl, alright, I'm saying bye to one of the parents of the other children. She comes around and says, Sensei, something, something, something. I'm like, no, chill. I don't need you touching me to call me hentai, because you're like 13 years old. And then you're going to hear that Andre is a pervert. And I just don't do Japanese schoolgirls. That's not my style. Do you do anybody? That's not the point. But yeah, what I'm saying is, I'm trying to send them off carefully and whatever. Homegirl starts reaching towards me. So I'm like, Neo, no, stop. And I go like this. So in tutus, her hand is like this on my mouth. I'm like, what? Then she has the nerve, the unmitigated gall, to say kitanai, which means dirty. Girl, hold up. Hold my earrings, hold this. Oh, it's about to pop off. Hold my glasses, hold my afro, hold everything, because she's about to get this beat down. But that's not the worst part, guys. No. You know what the worst part was? She had to do something even more devious. She did what? Homegirl raises her foot and kicks me. She do what?
Oh my god, no.
Oh no. Oh Jesus. No! What? Up to this point, I'm still shocked that her foot left the ground and made contact with me. Me on my thigh. Now, I'm still in shock because this, listen, I did not leave Jamaica for no picnic, no sushi eating, not a loving picnic, to come and put them food upon me. Never sign up for that. And if me did turn around box, the girl pick me right then and that's how you know. Wanna see me stay so? Get deported, my YouTube channel shut down because you them no know. God, oh God, oh God. Oh, if I could just and I want to I could go so and just go inside and go so, and just have to just wrap up in the blood. Woo, child. Pray me up. Look, guys, wish me luck because I don't know. Because this one picnic could have let me lose my job. This one picnic, the one picnic would have make me We travel almost 2 days to come to Japan for lose my work over one little foot palm my body and me no come here for waste time. So yeah guys, that was it. I feel much better now that I got it off my chest and you guys will follow me on the journey. I know it's a bad story, but there's gonna be positive stories coming up pretty soon as well. Alright, I'm trying to balance it. I'm just sharing my experience as I go along. And, you know, hopefully you got a good laugh out of it now. Because, and if, you know, because next time, I don't know if I'll be back able to make a video about it. I might be in jail because I responded to her. Man, why would you do that, junior high school girl? You know I'll come for you. And PigglesDiGaijin, Jamaican YouTuber, talking about the Pepsi Sakura flavor in Japan. Piggles